Hello students, in previous class we studied about the triangles, congruency of triangles, the congruent parts of triangles and two properties related to SAS and ASA, angle side angle properties of congruency of two triangles. Today we will go for some properties of a triangle, in which especially we will consider about isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, it means a triangle in which two sides are equal are called isosceles triangle. ABC is a triangle in which AB is equals to AC, then it is called as a isosceles triangle. There are some one property for this triangle in which the sides which are equal, opposite angles of equal sides are also equal. AB is equals to AC, that means angle ABC is also equals to angle ACB. Angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. That is the property of isosceles triangle. कोई भी आइसोस्केल ट्राइंगल यानी टू साइड्स इक्वल हैं, उन टू साइड्स इक्वल के अंदर जो साइड्स इक्वल हैं उनके ऑपोजिट जो एंगल बनेंगे दोज आर आल्सो इक्वल. वी हैव थ्योरम ऑन दिस बेस एंड वी विल प्रूव इट एट ए थ्योरम बेस. सो विल प्रूव property of isosceles triangle as in the form of theorem. Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. इसमें हम लेट करके चलते हैं. लेट ए बी सी इज ए ट्राइंगल. ए बी सी in which it's given that it's an isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, that means AB is equals to AC. It is given. This side AB is equals to AC. To prove, we have to prove that angle ABC is equals to angle ACB, or we can say angle B is equals to angle C. These angles are equal. We have to prove this. We need construction for this. So construction, let AD, where D is any point on BC, a line AD is the angle bisector of angle A. Construct or let AD is angle bisector of angle A. Angle bisector means angle BAD equals to angle CAD. These two angles are equal. It's given or we constructed. To prove these parts, we will take proof. Two triangles are there, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In these two triangles, AB is equals to AC. It's given. Angle ABD equals to angle ACD. It's given. Angle BAD equals to angle CAD. We constructed by construction part. So by AAS property or AAS rule of congruency, triangle ABD, we have to prove this. So we will take AD is equals to AD. It's a common side between these two triangles. Common side. So by SAS rule, these two sides are equal this is a common side and these two angles are equal. SAS, side angle, side rule. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and by CPCT we can write that angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. This angle ABD we can say, or ABC is equals to ACB. ये दोनों एंगल्स जो होंगे वो इक्वल होंगे, एंड विद दैट we can show that BD is equals to CD also. The third side of two triangles are also equal. अब इसमें एक नॉर्मल सी कंडीशन हमारे पास अप्लाई हो रही है. इफ इट इज एन आइसोस्केल ट्राइंगल देन एंगल बाइसेक्टर bisect the third side also. In isoscale triangles, if two sides are equal, then angle included these two equal sides. Angle bisector of equal sides also bisect third side. So this is two properties we studied in this theorem. Converse of previous theorem 7.2. According to converse of 7.2, it's given that the side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. There is a triangle in which two angles are equal. It's given ABC, where angle B is equals to angle C, or angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. It's given part angle ABC is equals to angle ACB because of according to this theorem, two angles are equal. We have to prove that the opposite sides of these two angles, equal angles, are also equal. To prove, we have to prove that AB is equals to AC. Construction, again same method. According to construction, what we have to construct in this part, हम इसमें एक बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करते हैं, एंगल बाइसेक्टर. लेट AD is angle bisector of A. AD is angle bisector of angle A. That means angle BAD equals to angle CAD. We have to prove that the sides AB is equals to AC. For that, we will consider two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Under these two triangles, it's given AD is equals to AD, common side. Angle DAB is equals to angle DAC, construction part. And angle ABD equals to angle ACD, it is given. So by AAS property or rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. That means AB is equals to AC by CPCT. So we studied about property of isoscale triangle. If the two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal, and if two angles are equal in any triangle, then their opposite sides are also equal. On this base, we have exercise 7.2. Question number 1, exercise 7.2. It's given that in an isoscale triangle ABC, there is an triangle, isoscale triangle A, B, C, where AB is equals to AC. These two sides are equal. Bisector of angle B. bisector of angle B, that means this is the angle bisector, and bisector of angle C, bisector of angle C meet each other at O. These two angles are also equal. Join A to O. We will join this A to O also. We have to show that the side OB and OC are equal and OA is the angle bisector of angle A. We have to prove this part. So, to prove this part, first of all we will write the given part. Since triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC, that means it's given that angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. These two angles are also equal. And to prove first part हमें वो prove करना है, second part हमें AO is bisects angle A, ये prove करना है हमें. And to prove that, as we know that if angle ABC is equals to ACB, then half of angle ABC is equals to half of angle ACB. अगर इन दोनों का हाफ ऑफ कर दिया जाए, then also these are equal. BO is angle bisector of angle ABC and CO is angle bisector of angle ACB. If these are angle bisector, that means angle OBC is equals to half of angle ABC and angle OCB is half of angle ACB. ये जो है वो angle bisector हैं. If these are the angle bisector, that means these divides them in equal parts. If this divides in equal parts, then इस complete का जो half करेंगे वो OBC के equal होगा, and इस complete का जो half करेंगे that is equals to OCB. So OBC is equals to half of angle ABC and OCB is also equals to half of angle ACB. But in previous we write that half of angle ABC is equals to half of angle ACB. That means angle OBC is equals to angle OCB. These two angles are equal. And if BC and OCB are equal, that means triangle OBC is isosceles triangle. And if it is isosceles triangle, so by the property we can write that OB is equals to OC, which is our first part. To prove the second part, we will take the triangle OAB and triangle OAC. In these two triangles, already we proved that OB is equals to OC. It's given that AB equals to AC, given part, and OA is equals to OA. It's a common part, common angle. And if it is common side के according अगर हम prove करना चाहें, then it depends on you, or we can write according to this also. Angle ABO is equals to angle ACO, because OB and OC are the angle bisector. If these are angle bisector, तो ये angle जो होगा, this angle is X, then it is also X. This angle is Y, then it is also Y. We proved that X and Y are equal. ये रहा हमारे पास X and Y, OBC and OCB are equal. That means X and Y are equal. That means these two angles are also equal. And by SAS property, because we didn't study yet about SSS property, so we will use this property. OB is equals to OC. We proved already in first part. AB is equals to AC, it's given, and X is equals to Y, we proved in the first part of. So ABO is equals to ACO. and if these angles are equal, two sides are equal, so by SAS proper rule, triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OAC, and by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we can say that angle BAO is equals to angle CAO, and if these are equal, that means AO is angle bisector of angle A. So we can say AO is the angle bisector of angle A. Question number 2, it's given that in a triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector, it means it's given that AD is perpendicular to BC. That means angle ADB is equals to angle ADC is equals to 90 degree. And it is also a bisector. Bisector means AD is bisector of BC. It means BD is equals to DC. It's given. We have to prove that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. To prove that part, take the triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Under these two triangles, it's already given that ADB is equals to ADC, that is 90 degree. BD is equals to CD because of AD is the bisector of BC, and AD is equals to AD, common side. So in these two triangles, these two sides are equal. This side is common side, this is 90 degree angle, which are equal. So by SAS property or SAS rule, we can say that triangle ADB is congruent to ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and if these two triangles are congruent, that means by CPCT we can write AB is equals to AC. That is the proof of our question number 2. So by this we completed our 2 questions and 2 theorems. Further parts we will complete in next video. Thank you for today.